Answer to this one is 51. Answer to this one is 18. Last one till the bell goes off. Answer to this one should be 25.
Library is closed today. Thank you and have a good day.
Answer to this one is 43. Answer to this one is 98. Answer on this one is 12. We had 5 out of 6 with homework, so that translates into a percentage of 83. Pick a number from 1 to 20 if you have credit for your homework. The winning numbers are 1, 3, 7, 12, and 20. Here's a multiple choice before we go to the answers. Answer to this one should be B, -5. Here are the answers. Number 1 is 3 and 9. Remember, it's in X, Y form. 2 is -2, -4. 3 is -5, 6. 4 is 8, -4. 5 is 9, 6. 6 is -10, -3. 7 is 6, -1. 8 is 1, -9. 9 is 9, 7. 10 is 9, -3. Alright, here's example 1. What number is this? 1, and then this is -4. So what do we have to change them into? We want to change them into a 4. So what do I have to multiply the top equation by? I have to multiply that by 4. And what am I multiplying the bottom equation by? -1. Alright, so on the top I should have 4x plus 12y equals a -92. And on the bottom, that's just a matter of changing the sign of everything. So that's 4x plus 4y equals a -12. What operation do I need? Subtraction. So I'm going to cancel out here and have 12 minus 4, which is going to give me 8y. And then -92 minus a -12 is going to be a -80. So then you do -80 divided by 8 and come up with -10. What should I do with that -10? So which one am I going to put it into? Alright, we'll try the top one. So the top one is x plus 3y, but instead of y I'm going to put a -10 and set it equal to -23. So that's x minus 30 equals a -23. Move the minus 30 to the right, make it plus 30. So that's going to give me a 7. How do I write my final answer? Seven, -10, yes. Here's example 2. You have a -2 and a 1. So what am I going to multiply this top equation by?
2.
-1, yes, because we're going to change these numbers here into what? +2, yeah. So what do I multiply the bottom one by? 2. Alright, so the top should give me 2x minus 7y equals a -54. And on the bottom it's 2x plus 18y equals 96. I have to subtract from there, and these cancel out. -7 minus 18 should be a -25y, and then we'll have -54 minus 96. So that'll be a -150. So -150 divided by -25 is going to give me what? 6, yeah. Okay, which one am I going to plug it back into? Yeah, the bottom one looks easier, so we'll try x plus 9, and instead of y, we're going to put 6. Set it equal to 48. So that's x plus 54 equals 48. And you'll move that plus 54 to the right side, make it minus 54. And x is going to equal what? -6. What's my final answer? Yeah, -6, 6. Try this one. I just need the final answer. On the practice problem, we have to multiply the top by a 9 and the bottom by a -4. So on top you should have 36x plus 81y equals a -36. On the bottom it's 36x minus 24y equals a -36. So when we subtract, these cancel out, and I'm left with 81 minus a -24, which is going to be 105y. But when I subtract these out here, they cancel and become a 0. So 0 divided by 105 is simply 0. Now I have to put 0 into one of my two equations. I'm going to choose the top one. 4x plus 9 times 0 equals -4. So 4x plus 0 is essentially going to eliminate that 9. So you're left with just 4x equals -4. So divide both sides by 4 and come up with a -1. Your answer should be -1, 0. Here's a bonus. For the first bonus, it should be -2x equals -14 plus 6. And that's going to give you a -8 on the right side. So divide by -2 and come up with 4. Answer for bonus number 2 should be 5. For the bonus, it should be 6x equals -47 plus 11. That's going to be 6x equals a -36. So if you divide by 6, you get a -6. This one goes to the first 4. Your solution is -5x equals 12 minus 2. So that's going to give you a 10 on the right side. You have to divide both sides by -5. So x will be -2. This one is to the first 4 again. Answer on this one is -3. Practice number 2. Alright, the lowest number that both negative 6 and 9 will go into is 18. So you should have multiplied by negative 3 here, and then 2 on the bottom. The top equation is 18x minus 15y equals 63. And on the bottom it's 18x minus 10y equals 78. So subtract. These cancel out. Negative 15 minus a negative 10 is negative 5y. And then 63 minus 78 is going to be a negative 15. So divide negative 15 by negative 5 and come up with a positive 3. I am going to use the bottom equation. 9x minus 5 times y, but I'm putting 3 in for y. So 9x minus 15 equals 39. We're going to move the minus 15 to the right and make it plus 15. That'll give us a 54. Divide 54 by 9 and get an answer of 6. So you should have 6, 3 for the answer. Answer on the first bonus is negative 3. For bonus number 2, you should have negative 6x equals 20 minus 2. And that's going to leave you with an 18 on the right. Divide both sides by negative 6. Not a negative 6x, just negative 6. And you have a negative 3. Answer for this one is 3. To the first 4. Answer for that speed problem is 2. Here's another one to the first 4. Answer to this speed problem is negative 4. Homework for tomorrow. We will practice this for one more night, and then you'll be solving these by graphing on Wednesday.